Charlie, go. The solution team. Yes. This is the relief material for ID camps at Ayamelu living right now. We are with the Commissioner for Chieftaincy and Local Government Affairs, the Commissioner for Water and Mineral Resources, Water and these are some of the teams. Okay.
I am Azuka OJ. The video you are seeing is about floods. Due to excessive rain this year, many parts of the world are flooded. Pakistan and some other countries are even facing a worse case. This is a problem that no government can easily handle, though they try. So what most government do is look for how to move out people from the affected areas, provide shelter for them, food and other relief materials. In this video, Anambra State government is taking relief materials to flood victims at internally displaced people's camp, IDP camp at Ayamelu Local Government area of Anambra State. Like I said earlier, a certain proportion of flood may not be easily managed by governments, not just in Nigeria but around the world. This is part of what is referred to as natural disasters caused by climate change.
Yeah, we are going to Anam, from Anam to Togwara, to Ebaku, to Umweje, and to all the IDP camps at Ayamelu. The road at a Canadian section of Ada and Usowani road has been cut off. So we have to use a speedboat that will take us to Anak. From Anak now we can take vehicle to deliver some of these materials to our people at Anaku, Omo, Ebaku, Ibitogwara, and Umueje. And these 4 commissioners have decided that they are going with a boat. Yeah, they want to see the people by themselves, and feel the pain of the people, and they know the challenges of the people.
And to tell them that solution is here.
Yeah, yes, so. And tell them that.
And to tell them that solution is here.
Yes, so.
This is what you see the world trying to unite in dealing with, perhaps minimizing the damages. Though it would be a hard task to totally eradicate it. So while you want to blame some governments, just remember it happens everywhere and can only be minimized. In places like USA, they battle heavy storms, wildfires, some tsunami. When they are faced with such, they raise alarm, move people out of the affected areas and send relief materials. Again, that is what Anambra government is doing right here. Enjoy the video.
Wow.
There's one cause.
Anabia. The other we went with the 3 boats. The first boat is at the front there. The second boat is outside. Is the one we are with now. The other one is coming at the back. All these are loaded with relief material for the ID camps at Ayamelu. some of the water transporters here. Yeah. Wow.
How it is and show the world made of that.
Yeah, so, all the now this speed we got. When I bus speed, in him and us, in the ready. Yeah, when I saw you able to do it. That's right. All this place you are seeing are farmlands. They are farmlands that have been overtaken by the flood.
But water transportation should be developed.
Wow.
It's not because of it.
Hey! Yeah, but tell me now, but tell me plantain can go.
Yeah, we are the other side of the.
Nandi.
This water is very too much. The water is too much, and we are asking for how we can survive. $5,000. No peg. Headquarter now. Headquarter one.
Ganna che ora? Okay. Oh, plantain bukan mini pula. Okay. Dia macam okay. Aku ulah aja. Commissioner, Can you talk to us about the situation?
Yeah, actually, you can see that it's not a good situation. The flood taking over most of the road, so we're able to enter boats to come to this part of the Ayamelu Local Government area under the direction of the Mr. Governor of Soludo to get relief materials to people, health relief materials, and also food, and also some toiletries. So it's a wonderful thing we're here, and we are hoping to make a positive impact on the people.
Okay, how were you able to contain the health challenge that comes with this flood?
Yeah, it's actually something that we have been warned about for since 2-3 months, and with the help of the government, we have been able to deploy some health personnel in the 19th IDP camps we have. So this actually phases you want to come and see what's on ground, also get some medications here. So most of the health challenges we will be having in the camps, malaria, cholera, diarrhea, and all that. So we are actually trying to talk. We are here with WHO too, and we discuss some people about the hygiene in the camp and also ensure that they eat well.
How do you feel coming with the canoe? Maybe this may be your first time, or have you been through this before?
Actually, this is actually my first time, but in solution team, nothing is a barrier in us achieving results. So it was water, we got a canoe, we entered it, and we took the risk to come, and also to be with people. You can see the people here are very happy to see us.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Commissioner. Yeah. Mr. Commissioner. Yeah, sir, can you tell us the overwhelming situation here?
Well, you can see people are excited that the government is here, that Soludo is here.
Okay.
The solution is also here. So we are here trying to provide solution to our people, trying to procure succor for our people before the National Emergency Management Agency arrives.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yesterday you were at Obaru, some parts of Onitsha, and
yesterday we were
today
Obaru,
can you give us brief for
Unity, and so on and so forth. So we are all in those places to also provide support for people who are displaced in their holding camps.
Okay.
And today we are in Ayamelu to complete the remaining place. Tomorrow we will be in Okanot to make sure that our people feel the presence of government, depending when the federal government will intervene.
All right, thank you.
Thank
you. Now, can you give us a brief explanation of what's going on here?
We're actually here in Ayamelu Local Government. Ayamelu Local Government is the area where the people from Anambra East, especially those living in Ayamelu, this is where they are. And then some parts of Ayamelu, like Umeru, they have been totally sacked from their homes. So we are here in the spirit of Onyaya and one year of our great party, Africa, to meet with our people and to know their condition, ascertain what they are feeling, and know where we will intervene. As you can see, we come with a lot of items ranging from mattresses, medical, a whole lot of drugs. We have everything here. About 4 commissioners are here, to have an on-the-spot assessment of whatever that is happening in the camps. Of course, yesterday we were with Mr. Governor and went to Obaru Local Government. We also went to Onitsha at the Crowder, where people from Anambra West, the Gala-speaking area of Anambra West, were actually housed. We equally went to some parts of Anambra East, like Unity Hall, where people from Anambra, where they are, and also at the Unity Primary School, Umobanam, where also people from Anambra West are. So today we are here to meet with people from the east and some parts of Ayamelu And there are still some areas, some people that are in Father Joseph Memorial High School, Aguilera, and Omundense.
Okay, can you tell us the transportation situation in Ayamelu here? How are the people accessing the communities like Omo, Anapo? Because I learned that the road has been cut off from the Lichuku axis. Can you?
Yeah. Actually, it is quite difficult, but I can see their hope is very high. They are still very highly spirited. Irrespective of the condition, you can see everybody now making use of canoe, to come to back to their houses, making use of the waterways, unlike the road that they have before. And so actually here is not accessible by road again as we speak, but the people, they are quite hopeful that by the grace of God soon things will get back to normal. And like Mr. Governor will always say, I believe intervention will come from the states. We've already started intervening, and I believe federal government, NEMA, and individual donor agencies, they will come to intervene.
Okay.
The issue is not actually what is happening now, but the major thing is by the time they get back to their homes, because it is very obvious that these people that have been sacked from their homes, their farmlands, because the major occupation of the people in this area is majorly farming. So their farmlands are flooded. So the major thing is by the time they go back, they plan for how they will settle down, how we will cushion the effect of the flood on the people.
Okay. Yeah, like you are like the cable, one of Indiana over here.
Yes.
Okay.
What I just said there, just like what the man has spoke, because the flood have destroyed many things in this community. Even if you look at the road now, there is no hope again for motor to pass. And if you go back after the season, and they go back to the house now, before they will settle down, it will be very difficult to them. So if the federal government, individuals, anyone can contribute, mostly feeding and other things before the.
But you are a boat manager, right?
I'm from the community. I'm still boat manager, taking the people out, coming from time to time, so that they can say there's only source for them to buy things to the community. It's not only the source for them to eat, but where the water dry, where they will go to, where they're going to find themselves. So let federal government, state government, individuals intervene for these things. Where the water dry, they can always still construct the road feet high, more than this, so that where the flood comes next time.
But I learned that the road is already tight.
Yeah, the road is already tight, but it's not filled up well. That is making the season, the water destroy it.
Okay.
And if you see now, you see the water there? Yeah. It's cut off the road. You understand? So
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
My name is
On the place of video.